Well, welcome back. We've changed batteries. So, I thought the batteries would last longer than that. But obviously we've drawn a lot of power doing this video for you. Okay, so now the IDE cable there is now plugged in. Now, I'm going to have to tidy all these cables up in a minute, but I'm just going to get them all on as quickly as possible. There's the power connector going on there. Now, what we're going to do next, we are going to do the front panel header. Now that is a nightmare because it's not easy to see them all. So panel 1 is marked on the motherboard as. So what we have them here. We have them here. And I'm going to have to use the book. You'll have to cheat. Normally I do it by using the motherboard, but I can't see it because it's too dark in here, and I'm not going to. I've got no one to hold the torch for me. And this one doesn't come with a nice powerful light. Now, it should tell me which one goes where in the book, and it does. So, because if I do it wrong, it won't start up when I plug it in. So. Because this actual PC is running Linux, and I want to take Linux off for two reasons, really. Because I want to update it with your thing. I want to update it with sound cards and graphics cards and what have you, so that I can put them on the video. Right. Okay. Ground is at the back. Now the last one I had a colour coding, which was really handy because I'm colourblind, so I couldn't see them anyway. So I had to guess power LED, reset W, power LED, power SW. There's no ground on this one. I remember that now. Right, I'm going to take this audio cable out so that it's not in my way. I'll plug it in later on again. So let's see what we can see here. There's the one for this one. There's two. Right, okay. Power SW. LED plus at the back, and there's the LED minus next door. Just trying to get these sorted out. As I say, it's so fiddly, this particular thing. I don't know, it'd probably be easier if they put them all together, but obviously they don't, so you just plug it in. Alright, okay. Power there, right. It's the second pin in. And the power LED plus is the first pin in. Now where's that gone? Where are you? There you go. As I say, I don't really need to show you this, but it is quite important, because if it's not plugged in, it won't start up. So, and you have to get it plugged in exactly correctly, or it won't start up as well. Right, okay. So, what have I got here? HDD LED. See? Right, I think we've switched this light off now because there's only 2 left to do. It's not making a lot of difference really. Right. Now the reset switch is at the front. There. And the power SW switch is at about there. That's it. And then put the audio cable back on. There you go, all working, all plugged in. I won't guarantee it's working. There, so let's get this a little bit tidy. Push those in. Right, now let's connect up the motherboard finally. Now here's the other US SATA connection. SATA 2 it is. It's not so. Oh. Stroke your cat. You're a nice pussycat. You're a naughty pussycat, aren't you? Is that Phil or Grant? Just thinking about my cat, our neighbour's cats. While I'm doing this. They call them the Mitchell brothers because they're right terrors. Doesn't appear to be in very tight. I'm just going to move it so I can see better. Sorry about that. I can't actually see it now because I put the other cable in. I can't see what I'm doing, so just want to make sure it goes in nice and tight, otherwise it won't work. Okay. That's it. It should be in now. Okay, so that's how you put a motherboard into a PC. Sorry it's taken so long, but there's a few problems today. But as I say, it's good to see when that someone who's built 3 or 4 of these has problems as well, you know. So you can see that it's not as easy as it is. Not hard, but it is not as easy as it first looks. And if something goes wrong, then it won't work. So I'll just tidy in something. I'll tidy these cables up after I finish the video. Anyway, okay, so that's your lot for now. Thanks very much. Bye.